Hi, my name is Rachel. I came to Dr. Motwani because I needed to have an enhancement for my original LASIK surgery. When I was growing up, I had really bad vision. I had really thick glasses prescription, so I did LASIK maybe 20 years ago. And as time went on, my vision changed again, and the original doctor didn't want to do a LASIK again on me. So I researched and found Dr. Motwani, who was amazing, and he had so many great reviews and the things that he's on the cutting edge of technology. So I thought I'd make the drive out here. So I drive almost 2-hour drive to come out here to see Dr. Motwani, and he did my vision correction on both eyes. And it's amazing. It's such a difference. And although I thought I had great vision before when I had that original LASIK, I found that working with Dr. Motwani, I have even better visions, like super vision now. So I'm super excited, and I can see.